Today I am inside Walmart and I am trying this machine out for the very first time. It is, how do I put this? Making a copy of your key, but I thought they would do it right here, right now, but actually they will mail it out to you. So before we get started, you guys, hit the thumbs up for your girl, comment and share. And I'm going to insert the key. And once it tells me to, I'm going to enter in my information. It asks for your name, your address. Well, first it asks how many keys you want. Then once you select how many keys you want, it tries to upsells by asking you, if you get an extra key, we can take X amount of dollars off. I don't even want one key. So I'm going to enter your information, name, address, city, state, and zip code. Once you enter in that information, it's going to prompt you to the next screen. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You have to enter in your email address as well. And once it tells you, it tally up everything, it's gonna tell you the total. This also will let you make a copy of your car keys. I hope it works. I always pass these machines up. I'm not really, I know why, I just don't really feel safe, you know, but we're gonna see. You should get your key within 3 to 4 business days, excluding weekends, like Sundays, excluding Sundays. Now that seems simple, very simple. I just don't know about this darn thing, but it seems simple. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to see if it actually goes through and if it works. Okay, today is the day that I should have received my key in the mail, but they have refunded my money. I don't know why. I never received an email, but they refunded my money. So the only thing I can think of, maybe I didn't insert the key in right. Whatever the case is, I'm glad I got my money back. Will I be using that service again? No, absolutely not. But out of 1, on a scale between 1 and 10, I will give it a 5.